Okay, hello again, kids. So, ari ra gyapon ta sa division of fractions, and I have another scenario. So, how are we going to divide a whole number with a fraction? Okay. So, before ta mo proceed sa atoang step, okay, ato asa ni siyang himong fraction ang atong whole number nga 7. How are we going to do that? Okay, simple ra kaayo. You just add a denominator of 1, no? So, it doesn't change the value of 7. Kaya ang 7 divided by 1 is still 7. So, wala na to giusab ang value sa ato ang whole number. Okay, ato na siyang gi-change into a fraction. So, kay fraction naman ta, okay, we can proceed now to our steps. So, the first step is to leave, okay, the first fraction as it is. So, we'll just copy that one, no? 7 over 1. Okay, next we have to change our division sign into a multiplication sign. So, ano na siya. Then, the third is to flip or to inverse or find the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 1/4. In other words, balihon na nato, no? Ang numerator may mong denominator, ang denominator mahimong numerator. So, muna na siya ang iyahang inverse or reciprocal, no? And then we can now proceed to multiplication. So ato i-multiply ang 7 and 4, so that is 28, no? And then multiply the denominators. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, so 28 over 1 is just the same as 28. So our answer is 28. Now what if, okay, ang whole number naa sa second fraction. So, same na gyapon imong buhaton. So, butangan na gyapon na nimo siya denominator nga 1. And then, proceed to the steps. So, okay, we have to leave the first fraction as it is. So, di na to siya usbon. The next step is to change the division sign into a multiplication sign. Okay, next step is to flip or to find the reciprocal of the second fraction. So, ato na siyang balihon. So, mahimo na siyang 1/2. Okay, then proceed to multiplication. So, multiply the numerators. 4 times 1 is 4. Then, you also multiply the denominators. 5 times 2 is 10. So, if you notice, we can still reduce or simplify the fraction by finding the greatest common factor. So, unsa may greatest common factor sa 4 and 2? 4 and 10. So, pwede pa na to siya ma-divide by 2. No? Both 4 and 10 can be divided by 2. Okay, so proceed. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then 10 divided by 2 is 5. So, our final answer is 2/5.